So hi fellas, welcome back to my channel. So how you guys doing? I hope you all are fine. I know this is my first video and it's gonna be about how to do beatboxing. As you have searched for beatboxing or it have came to your feed, so you guys are gonna be learning about how to do beatboxing and stuff. There are some basics in beatboxing, so let me show you what are you gonna be learning today. It's gonna be like, if you're a beginner, I hope you are. I'm here to help you guys. So if you're a beginner, then you think that it's really cool. So how to do it? Show us, Safwan. So let's not waste any more time and jump into the video. But first of all, please subscribe my channel if you like the video and if you have learned something new, and like the video too, please, because it motivates me to make more videos like this. And I'll catch you all later or in the video. Bye. So guys, uh, in beatboxing there are some basics which I have told you in the intro, so I'm gonna be showing you the first three basics and you'll be using two of them, and you'll be learning two of them in this video. But first of all, in beatboxing, if you wanna do beatboxing, you need to practice, practice, and stay dehydrated, like that. Understood? So let's not waste any more time and let's do it. I have created this for you guys. This is B, as you can see. So it's the kick drum. In beatboxing we say it as kick drum. So it's like, understood? So to create the sound you need to say something in like ball, basket, and just focus on the B, the starting part of it, like ball, basket, basketball. So alright, so focus on the B first. So it's gonna be sounding at first like that, but you don't have to say B like ool. It's not the correct one. The kick drum is like, you have to generate a lot of air inside your mouth and then you have to release the air. When you get into a fight, then it's like that, innit? So you need to generate that air in your mouth and then release it, like not like that, like create the pressure, and when it comes to that part, just release it. Alright, so that was B, and let's move on to T, which is called hi-hat. That's kick drum, that's hi-hat, and that's snare. Alright, so it's the K snare, and we are gonna be talking about that in the next video. Alright, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is hi-hat. It's like, put your tongue on the top of your mouth, like this, and then push the air out through your teeth, and it will create a sound like, no, it wasn't the correct one. It's like, it was the correct one. So try it and you're gonna be successful in beatboxing if you practice. Practice makes everyone perfect. So I've practiced a lot and now I'm gonna be teaching you guys. I have created a pattern too for you. This is the pattern. You can see the pattern over here or somewhere in the video, and I'll put the pattern in the description too. So you have to do, and then it's, understood? So it's once, and then it's, you have to see B two times. So it's the kick drum. B means and T means, because these are the sounds made by the letters. Like when you do, you use the word B, and when you do the T sound, like you can do it now, just say T, and your tongue will hit the upper part of your mouth, so that's why it's called a T. I mean, it's called hi. I'm also stupid. So let's move on. So it's, and this is, you have to say the B twice. So understood? So if you combine it, it's gonna be like, understood? So let me show you how it fully. So it goes like, that's the, my freestyling was leaked. So leaking. What am I saying? So it's like, it's gonna be hard for you at first to do the double B, uh, but as I said, you need to practice, and practice is the main thing in beatboxing. And one more thing, water. You need to be hydrated while you do beatboxing, or else you cannot. Hydration is the main thing in beatboxing. So let's do it together. This is gonna be the tough part for you guys, cause it has double B and then a T and double B here. So it's double B like that, and then you need to say this twice. That's all. So let's do it slowly. Again. So if I do it like freestyle, then the sound I made, like, it's this one. I haven't drunk water, so it's not coming that well. I will drink water. Let me show you my bottle. It's 2-liter bottles. I have finished it, but I need more. I got 2 of these, and this is really handy, to be honest. And yeah, I think that's it for today, guys, and I hope you all like the video, and if you have learned something new, then please let me know in the comment section. It's my first video too, so I don't know how it went. It's my first video about beatboxing, and I have done a lot of videos about gaming and other, but let's just stay on beatboxing on this channel. So yeah, I think this is it for me, and I will, as always, catch you guys on the next video with another pattern and the case snare. The video will be about case snare. On the next video, you guys will learn how to do. No, that will be really difficult for you beginners. So it will be like, yeah. So it's really cool, isn't it? So why am I saying so? I'm stupid, that's why. And I will, as always, catch you guys on the next video. Peace.